Hi everyone, you will learn how to visualize your data, one of the most important life skills in this video. And I'm gonna teach you how to visualize the growth of coronavirus using Python library, Matplotlib, and pandas. Matplotlib is the most popular data visualization Python library. It's capable of creating most kinds of charts like line graphs, scatter plots, bar charts, pie charts, stack plots, 3D graphs, and geographic map graphs. And pandas is the most popular data analysis Python library. It provides data manipulation and analysis tool using its powerful data structures. Then it's what we are gonna do in this video. First, we install the dependencies, and then we get the data, and we plot the data on Jupyter Notebook, and then finally we export the graph. First, we want to get the dependencies. We open the terminal, hit pip install the notebook to install the Jupyter Notebook, and I have already installed it, so it's pretty fast. And then pip install Matplotlib. It's we're building, and pip install pandas, and you have finished it. Now you are on your second step, so you go to your browser, hit github.com and New York Times COVID-19 data, and here's the data we want. So we hit clone or download and download zip. So zip has already downloaded and transfer to the folder. So then you open your terminal again, and this time you hit mkdir COVID-19 data if you want, and you have made a folder named C19 data, and you press cd C19 data to enter this folder and open out, and this will open the folder itself. Now you need to drag and drop this file over the folder you just created and opened, and this file is what we need in this tutorial. And then since you are already in this folder, which is here, so you will just type Jupyter Notebook to open the Jupyter Notebook, and here we go, we are just in this folder. Then we want to go to new, in the top right corner, hit Python 3, and we import libraries we just downloaded. Pandas, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib as .pyplot as plt, and import numpy as np, and then we read the data we just used, which is that CSV file. We read it by using the method of the method named read CSV from pandas. So it's read CSV, and it will just read the file, the table in it to this variable in data, and this we just need to input the file name, which is us.states.csv, and yeah, let's check our data. Yeah, here's our data. If you observe close enough, and you will find out that though here the dates are repeated, but since in this project we only need to know the cases of one single day of the nation instead of each state, so in this table we don't need states, and we don't need this is meaningless, and we don't observe that in this project. And what we are gonna to do is to combine those dates in one date and sum up the cases of all the states, so it becomes the national cases. You want to analyze the data, and see, I've already written this method. So you will need data.groupBy method, and you pass in the this is you want to combine, you want to group by, and this is a data, this is a date column, and you use aggregate method, and this is cases, and cases is where you want to sum it up, and you want to use the sum method, and let's run it again, and you will see the date becomes unique, and the cases become the sum of all states, which means it's the cases of national coronavirus cases. And well, and then we want to create a figure object, fig equal to, well, someone just phoned me, I will quit it. Okay, fig equal to plt dot figure, and well, and we want to create axis, yes, and figure dot add axis that will pass in the dimensions 0, 0, 1, 1, and you can understand it as a percentile of the graph, and 0, 0 just means bottom left corner, and 1, 1 is top right corner, and then ax dot set x label if you want, and this is the number of cases, and ax dot set y label is just the cases, well, the number of days here, sorry, and then we want to plot the data. This is just basically ax dot plot. The first argument is x, so we x-axis we pass in the days. Here you will notice that I didn't just write the days, instead I'll use a arrange method of numpy. What a will do is to create a sequence from 1 to the length of the cases I want to include, so which is pretty neat. And then the y argument is a cases, and here we go, it's a graph. And if you notice that it looks like a flat line, it's just because number of girls during those days are pretty small, and then it takes a giant lib. Also, if you think it's too tasteless to see this graph only a line, you can also do a scatter graph. And what you will do is, first you have the x-axis and the y-axis out, since you want to use it again and it saves time, remember? And then you do x dot scatter plot xy, and you will see those small dots. And if you think this graph is too small, you can adjust the value here. Let's make it bigger, like 2 and 2, and here we go, here's a bigger graph. Now it's time for you to export the graph. If you want a title, like you already do to output something, you can set it here. Ax dot set title, the title if you want. Let's say the growth of coronavirus in America, and then you hit Shift Enter, and the title appears here. And if you drag this image, and you will find out that you can just drag it and drag it to the desktop, and then you double click and it will pop up. Or if you want to download it into a more professional way, let's say you can do like this with fig, and the name of the file you want to save is corona gross, and the extension which you want to name it to png, and bbox inches equal to height. And this is very crucial. If you don't specify this, the title, the x label, and the y label will not be displayed. So to sum it up, we first make 3 imports, and then we read the data here, and then we group the data. We use group by method, and this data column aggregate function, and then we plot the figure. We add the axis to the fig object, and set the xy label, and then arrange to make x-axis and y-axis, and plot the data and scatter the point, and then we save the fig. If you like my video, just hit a like, and if you have some questions, you can write the comments down below, and I will check the questions daily and answer them as much as I can. And please subscribe to my channel as well. And it's my first time making the video, so if it's not good, my apology, but thank you for watching, and see you next time.